A driver has been killed after his car was hit by a train in Melbourne's north overnight. Police believe the man was inside the car with another woman when it collided with a train near Burgundy Street in Pascoe Vale about 8:20 p.m. The woman managed to exit the car before the collision. The man, who is yet to be formally identified, died at the scene. Police said the exact circumstances surrounding the collision are yet to be determined and investigations remain ongoing. Anyone who witnessed the crash, with dashcam footage or information, is urged to contact Crime Stoppers.